You can reduce little speed. Open the website fontawesome.com/download. Open this URL fontawesome.com/download. Okay. Open fontawesome.com/download. You can use Chrome.
Sir, for web or for desktop?
Video. Come down.
Sir,
Need to download free for web. Free for web. Click on free for web. Free for web. Go to click on free for web. It will download somewhere 67 MB file. Okay, next after that, this folder, you can copy from here, whichever the folder is downloaded, copy from here and paste into your CSS folder. Paste into CSS folder. It is zip file. You can't use directly. So you have to right click and extract here. Right click and extract here. Okay, so you got a folder, extracted folder like this. If you go inside the folder, you will find CSS, JS, LESS, metadata, many more folders. Connect with your mobile data, that you can do. Okay, this folder, right quickly. Not able to connect. Info campus network is connecting. Got it. Downloaded. Extracted also. Okay. So this is the folder. Font awesome 6. Now inside this, you have this folder structure. Please compare. CSS, JS, less metadata. Now this main folder you rename as a icon. ICON icon. Rename the folder as a icon. ICON icon. Icon. Rename the folder. This icon folder you copy and paste under the external CSS. Icon folder, copy and paste under the external CSS. Icon folder, copy and paste in external CSS. Icon folder, copy and paste under the external CSS folder. Inside the icon folder, if you see, you have CSS folder, and under the CSS folder, there is a file called all.css. Check now. External folder, icon folder, CSS folder, you have a file all.css. It has so many classes. We will open this file and we will understand what is inside. So let's open this all.css in your editor. Open all the CSS in your editor. Open, look at inside. There is a class called FA. FA class has some font family. It has some font weight by default. Now come down here. It's written called class called FA, FAS, FAR, FAL, FA regular, FA light, FA. Many classes are written. Okay. FA hyphen brand. So these all are the class name. We have created our own class. Now what is the purpose of this class? We are going to see. Come down below. There is one number called FA hyphen. There is one class called FA hyphen 1x. FA 1x, what is the font size it's represent? 1 EM. 1 EM equal to 16 pixel. 1 EM equal to how much? 16 pixel. In case if you want to display the font size as a 16 pixel, you can call this class fa-1x. You can see fa-2x is saying as a 2 EM is nothing but 16 into 2px, that is called 32px. 1 EM equal to 16 pixel. Now see 3px, 3x, 4x, correct, 5x, 6x, 7x. It is till when? Where? Till 10x. 10x means 10 into 16. So 160 pixel. Now come down below. There is some other class also. XX extra small. That is called SM small. There is a LG large. 1.25 rem, somewhere 15 pixel. XL 1.5 rem. Similar way 2x in the sense how much? FA-2XL. 2XL like how much? 32 pixel. So those classes are there. So this is for the size purpose. If you want to increase the size icon of the size, like if you want to make big icon, bigger icon, medium icon, a smaller icon, these classes we are going to call. Come down below. Now below, so many classes are there in this. Look at, there is a class called fa-border. So what it will give? It will give the border from all the side. Look at here, it's written called fa-pull left. What is inside? Float left. Fa-pull right, that is called float right. Some more thing is written. Coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. Look down below. So many more classes are there. So start from here. Okay. So suppose if you want to display the different type of icons, contact address, address book, those kind of icons here. The classes are there. Address book, contact book, address card, contact card, B card. Come down below. Many more are there. If a align right, if a align left, what will happen? Float left will happen. No, if a align right, it's something align will do as a right. Then similar way, we have many classes. Angle left, it will show you the down arrow key. Angle down, down arrow key. Angle left arrow key. Angle right arrow key. Angle up arrow key. So similar way, many classes are there inside. Come down, see inside. You will see arrow left, arrow right, correct? So these classes, what you are going to do of these classes are, like suppose in project, you want to display the icons, this kind of icons. See in this website, you can go to here, desktop icon is coming. Can you see here? Down arrow key, here down arrow key, this kind of icon can you see? Bottle, flower, bracket, square symbol. Click on this icon. Click on the icon link. You will see from there many icons. See this? How many icons? 16,000 icons. In that 2,000 icons are free. Remaining are paid icons. Yeah, tell me. Natali? Yeah. I have a class from today at 5 o'clock evening. Again, one more will be there somewhere next month, first week in the morning, 9:30. First week, 9:30. Night, I don't know. classes are coming. This is the two upcoming classes. One is from today 5 o'clock, another one is the morning 9 o'clock in the next month. Mhm. Those times are free upcoming time. 6 o'clock is my last class. After that, I teach to my children. 5 to 6:30 is the last class. Hmm. Well, in the evening, you can plan. Today it will be the first class only. Mhm. 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 How it will work, I don't know. I will send you link. You can try. Okay. Hmm. Uh, five to five to. I'll send you the link. Send WhatsApp number. Link. I'll send you text message also. No problem. So online. Okay. So hope you written. These all are the icons are there. Now after that, come down. See this kind of icons. So what was the condition 6 7 years before? A UI developer, web designer need to know the knowledge, need to have a knowledge of Photoshop also. But now these libraries are in the market. Suppose in your project you want to display some kind of icon. Okay, in website you want to display some kind of icon, this kind of icon. You don't need to write a single line of code. Just call the icon, use the class. That's all. Automatically here see house is there, many more are there, cat is there, many. These are icons. You see that it's very clean icons. It will call and you can use it easily without writing the, see these brand icons. If you want to call the Facebook icon, Google icon and all, these all are already available in this library what we have downloaded. We need to understand how to call that and how to use that. Okay, so these icons in our page, you can see home we have, there should be home icon, about us should have some icon, services should have some icon, contact us should have some icon. So there we are going to place the icons. Okay, inside the page also we can keep the icons everywhere, wherever we want. So first let's come to the which file, your this template file. Okay, and in the template file, you need to call one more CSS that will be here called all.css, but this all.css is available, all.css is available in which folder? It is available on icon folder, icon slash css slash all.css, icon slash css slash all.css, icon slash css slash all.css. Okay, ready? So you added the link. Now we need to know how to use the, so this CSS file is called. Why we have given the icon slash CSS slash all? Because the folder structure, if you look here, under the external folder, your file is here. Which file? Template one. And here we have a folder called icon. So we are asking the compiler to go inside the icon folder, and inside icon folder there will be CSS folder. Inside CSS folder there will be file called all.css. Okay. So this file will call icon CSS all.css. Now how to call the icon? It's a simple. Before text wherever you want to display, open the I tag, close the I tag, give one space both the side. Open the I tag, close the I tag, give one space both the side. Open the I tag, close the I tag, give one space both the side. Okay. Open the I tag, close the I tag, and open the I tag, close the I tag, and give one space both the side. And after that, under this I tag, you can write a class. We have to call two classes together. FA, it is fixed every time. FA, it will give you some font family, font size. Those two things will come from this class. Now after that, you have to call the icon class. So for home, there is a class called FA-home. Like in the website, you can see home menu will have an icon. So it will give you the home kind of icon. It will give you called home type of icon. Hmm. For every icon we use, if is fixed. If you want to display the brand name like Facebook, Twitter, Angular, React, Google, then we have to write FAB. FAB for brand name. And day-to-day life, like suppose table you want to display. So FA hyphen table. For regular day-to-day life icon, we have to write FA, and for any company name, brand name, we have to use the FAB. Initial class, first class. For regular icon FA, and for the company name icon as a FAB. Okay. So we are using now regular icon. So we have follow FA. Check now. Are you getting any home icon? Hmm? A home icon will appear. Okay, ready? Next go. Check now. Icon is coming. Refresh your home page. Before home, you should see home icon will appear. But every time make sure before text, there should be one space. After closing the I tag, one space you should give. So that between icon and text, there will be one space. If you will not give a space, then between icon and space will not come. Ready? Now come after this. I tag again, copy from here to here, paste here. About us, which icon to display? So display here one building icon. There is a class called FA building. Building. class name FA building, FA space FA hyphen building. Okay, next after this, for services, you can write again FA hyphen tools, TOOLS, tools. It will give you some kind of tool symbol. Contact us. You can use two option, map marker also and headset also. So better write here HEADACT, headset. FA headset. FA. Not coming. Home is also not coming. Then you are doing something wrong. See, all icons are coming. FA space FA icon. All are not together. There is a space. Okay, so loading, right? Okay, next after that, if you click on any links, the page how it was working, it will work same. Just on the menus, icon will get applied. Icon will get applied. Coming. Okay, after that, next, this file is ready. We can leave this file and we can create another file. There we will understand this till menu will take same. Not about us. About us will not be a separate file. This template one is just like this only. This much only in template one. Okay. Create next file. Template 2. Template 2 in which folder? That external folder. Template 2.html. Template 2.html. Next, after that, from previous file, we can copy this first two line till UL. You can copy till UL or till where? Till okay. Copy everything. Copy everything from the previous file, that is called template 1. From template 1, you can copy everything and paste into template 2.html. Template 2.html. After that, in template 2.html, navigation will be similar, but here we will give the file name as a different. What file name? Template 2.html. Next, you can give about.html. Remove hash. Right here, about.html. Next, you write call service.html. Next, you write call contact.html. Template 2.html, about.html, service.html, contact.html. Now, home, let it be here. No changes in home. After home section, delete everything. Keep only footer. After home section, delete everything. Keep only footer. See, I have only one section here called home, and then last is footer. In between, we deleted all. So home page will be ready. Okay, deleted. Okay, so next, home, about us, our services, contact us. Now check the page, run the template 2. Something like this. Header on the top, footer is in the last, right? And if you click on home, it will be on the template 2 only. But if you click on about, it will go to the next page. If you click on contact, it will go to the next page. Click on service, it will go to the next page. Okay, so please confirm once. The reply in the chat looks similar or something else. Template 2. It is the study file what we have made. In that we deleted all and we kept one portion. That is called middle portion as a home section. Okay then. Now you are going to create a file. Someone calling. Hello. Hello. Okay. After that, hope your page looks similar. Now what we need to create? Next file. What is the file name? File name is this one. That is called about.html. Create a file about.html. About.html. In about.html, you can take the copy of template 2 because header footer we want similar. Header footer will be similar. Template 2 we can take copy. Header footer will be similar. And we will delete the in home file you have to change the name template 2. Okay, without changing don't click. So hope about file is ready. It is a copy of which file? Template 2. Okay. In this you can see you have a section tag. That section tag is representing home block. Delete this section. Now you got only header and footer. Header is on the top, that is called navigation, and footer is in the last. Correct? Header is on the top and footer is in the last. If you remember, in template 1 file, how many sections you have? In template 1 file, how many sections are there? One is home that we have used. There is one more section, no? That is called about. About is there, one section. So this section we can copy and paste in about page. Understood or not? In template 1 file, there is one about section. There to copy and paste there. CSS is same CSS file you are calling. See, copy paste skill is also required. Okay, we should remember where I have written. Here is required same. So no need to write again. No, take and add here. That's all. Go to your template 1 file. In template 1 file, find out where is the about section. It is one about section start and about section is end. Section to section. You can copy from here and paste into the about file before footer. You can paste into the about file before footer. Before footer, you can paste that. Before footer, if you paste that, then your home link and then about link, both will work. Check now. Home link and about link, both is working or not? Why not? Home If you click on home, which file it's going? It will go to the template 2. You have template 2. Then you have made some mistake. See this file. Go to the template 2 file. Click on about. It will go to the about page. Click on home. It will come to the template 2 page. Click on about. It will go to the about page. Click on home. It will come to where? Template 2 page. Template 2 is nothing but the home. Template2.html is calling for home. Here, you should change the name. Don't keep same name. In the template 2 also there is a name called template 2. In about also there is a template 2. Remove that link. Pages are loading. Yes, no, please reply in chat. Home and about is ready. Now you will create the next file called service. Next file you create called service.html. Here, what is the name you are given? Service or services? File name should be same name. Should not be file you given here service and create services. It will never work. Service.html file, open and close. Create. Okay, in that you can take the copy of about page. In that you can take the copy of about page. Okay, about service file is ready. You will delete this section tag, that is about. And in template 1, we have already one service block. In template 1 file, you have a service block. You will bring from there and paste here. In template 1, we have a service block that you can copy and you can keep under the service page. That you can copy and paste under the service page. Ready? Yes, sir. 3 pages are running. Yes, service.html, about.html, and home will point to the template 2. Next, one more page we need to create, that is called contact page. contact.html. Now you can take the copy of service file and from the template 1 page, you need to bring the contact section that is in the bottom. Contact section you can bring from the template 1 and add under the contact page after removing the one section, existing section. Then total overall 4-5 pages will be ready and all page have. Now I will explain and guide you. When you have created the template 1, which method was that? When you created this page, which method is this? Right? Everything is perfect. So for template 1, now in this method, what we have created now, template 2, about, service and contact, how many pages are there? Pages are, total pages are 4 pages. Template 2.html, about.html, service.html and contact.html. Total number of pages are 4 pages, correct? Total number of pages are 4 pages. And in this 4 page, if you go and check everywhere, in contact file, which CSS you are calling? Style.css. In the service file, which CSS we are calling? Same style.css. In the about also you are calling the style.css. And in the template 2 also you are calling the style.css. So CSS you have written how many times? Only one time. In which file? Style.css. And same CSS file you are calling in 4 places. Correct? Yes. Now you compare. If you write inline CSS, suppose there is a li. There is a li here. How many li? 4 li. If you write inline CSS, then in one file you have to write 4 times CSS. For each li you have to write or not? So how many pages you have? 4 pages. In one page, how many times? 4 times. And total how many pages we have? 4 pages we have. So 4 into 4? 16. Height, width, margin, color, icon, all we have to write how many times? 16 times. But now you are writing how many times? Only one time. In which file? Style.css. If it is the internal CSS, if it is the inline, then 16 times, and external, then 1 time. If it is the internal CSS, then how many times? For this page, template 2, we have to write the CSS in current file. For about also, we have to write the CSS in about file in head section. Remember? Not remember. Look at here. If you'll go to the internal CSS, what we have written? Internal CSS also we have template 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, look at here. In template 2, we have CSS. Template 3 also we have similar CSS. Template 4 also we have similar CSS. Template 1 also we have similar CSS. So what is that? If it is a inline CSS, then line by line. If it is the internal CSS, then page wise. If it is the external CSS, then only one place. That is called separate CSS and separate HTML. Okay, let me come to the CSS file and I will modify something and then we'll understand it is applying all the places or not. Go to your external CSS folder and open the style.css file. In which file? In a style.css file, we have written the UL, and for UL, the background is green color. And that green color you can see in contact as well, service as well, about as well, and template too also. And in fact, same thing you can see under the which one? Template one also. In template also one also we are calling the same CSS. Okay. Now under the template 2 file, CSS, the navigation is green. In contact also navigation is green. Reason is only one. You are calling the same CSS. A style file is one file and HTML file is now total how many files? One is the template one, another one is called template 2. Then after that service, contact, and then about. Total how many pages? 5 pages. Same CSS we are calling in how many pages? 5 pages. Let's go here. Background color green you have written. Convert into black. And check. In all the 5 pages, background got changed to black. All the pages, background got changed into the black color. Menu got black. Go to all the pages. In all the pages, menu will be black color. Go to any page, menu color will be black color. Even in template one also. If you reload your template one, menu will convert into black color. Not coming. Hmm? You have some problem in your code. Which browser? Mozilla will not work. Chrome you can open. Restart computer. Don't close the browser. Once you open, don't close that. Our habit is every time we'll open the file. We'll close the file, we'll open the file. Not like that. Open once, keep reloading that. See, I have not opened multiple times. My browser is open just like that. Just I'm clicking here and just going and coming. Okay, so this file is ready. Next, after that, we will understand in the same file, if user will open the page in different devices, if user will open the page in different devices, then how does your page will understand that user has open in other browser, other device? Like suppose you have opened in mobile phone. In laptop, it look like this. If we make a small size, see, all become here there. Go to the about page, will go here there. Go to the home page, it will go here there. You can't click even. See, this all going here there, right? So according to device, we have to write some different kind of CSS so that our CSS will understand, yes, device is not laptop, is a mobile phone. And then according to mobile phone, it will get changed. Okay, so do some modification in CSS file and check once it is applying or not. Then I'll come in 2 minutes. Then we'll apply some mobile related, how to rearrange the content of the page according to device. You can change something in the CSS file and check all this is reflected in the current combination of activation. Okay, now come to that CSS file. In CSS file, now what is the menu of your background color? UL. Background color of UL is black or different color? Black. Okay. Come at end of the screen. At end of the screen, write a comment here. Media query. Media query. Media query, what is that? It used to find the user computer window size. It used to find the user computer window size. User computer window size in the sense, suppose a user has opened your page in laptop, then what is the size of his screen? If a user has opened your page in the mobile phone, then what is the size of the screen? That will get find for which feature of CSS? Media query. Media query will help to find out the window size of user's computer. Whoever will open your website, okay, whoever will open your website, the media query will find out the screen size of user computer, window size of user computer. Now right here, a condition that is called @media screen and, okay, @media screen and @media screen and @media screen and you will write here a minimum width property, mean hyphen width, minimum width, smallest device, assume 1 pixel width, and maximum width, assume 6 or 700 pixel. What is that? If the screen size is between where to where, 1 pixel is the minimum and maximum is how much? 700 pixel. Okay. Then this condition will execute. So how CSS will get to know? That is a new feature of CSS3 that is called media query. Media query. This media query. The name is feature name is called media query. The syntax is like this: @media is screen. So what we are finding? We are finding the screen size and minimum width 1 pixel and maximum width is 700 pixels. So you are given a range. If anyone will open in a mobile phone as a 400 pixel, then also it will come. If someone will open in a small tab up to 650, 700 pixel, then also it will come. So mobile phone, all size of mobile phone will come under this range. Okay. In that, what you want to do, in your current page, there is one UL tag. UL tag. For UL tag, what is the background you have given? Background color is blank. So we can now change the background here as a background colon green. Background colon green. Background colon green. Now see what it says. It says like background of UL will be green in which case? If the user computer screen size is between 1 pixel to 700 pixel. But in the top you can see one place you have written how much? You have written for UL background color is a black. And here you are changing the background color as a green. Maybe some browser will understand or maybe some browser will not understand. Okay. If user has the old browser, that may not understand also. Okay. So what we can do is at this place, if you want, the browser must understand background is a green for UL if the device is between 1 pixel to 700 pixel. Then for that, you have to apply exclamation important. IMPORTNT. This is called setting higher priority. What we are doing? We are setting here higher priority. For which one? For UL tag, background must become green if the user computer is between 1 pixel to 700 pixel. Save the file, run it, minimize your window size, and then check once. Is it coming on? Come in. Let me show you. So this is the screen size as of now is a big device. Let me go to the small device. See, green happen automatically. When I resize the window size, automatically you can see window converted into which color? Green color. Converted into green color, right? If you maximize slowly increase the window size, you will get to know after 600, after 700, automatically it will convert into black color. See, after 700 converted into black color, and once it will come under the 700 range, it will convert into green color, right? So there is a benefit of media query. Okay, now see the photo. In home page, you can see 3 photos we have. In mobile phone, it's making little up or down. 3 is coming in one line, 1 is going to the new line. We can change the width. if the screen size is more than 700, that meaning if a screen size is more than 700 pixel, then 4 photo let it come in one line. But if a screen size is less than 700, then display total 2 photo in one line. So now what is the width of the photo? 22.5% you have given. Now the width of the photo is 22.5%. Okay. If it is a mobile phone, we can convert into 48%. 48% one photo, 48% another photo. 2-3% as a buffer to fit the border here there. Correct? So come to your CSS. Where you have written the image, find out that first. See, there is a class called mypic. Can you find the class called mypic? What is the height? 150. Margin how much? 1%. Width is how much? 22.5%. Border radius how much? 10%. Now we want to change the width of image, that is called mypic, from 22% to 48%. So what is the class name? Mypic. Mypic is the class name. Come down. Mypic is the class name. Rahul, don't go for somewhere else during the class. Your performance is very poor. From first day I am doing notice. Okay, right here, mypic. Are you doing 2 things at the same time? Okay, change the width as 48%, not 47.5%. 47.5%. 0.5%. And again apply here exclamation important. Dot mypic width 47.5% important. So 47.5 one will take, 47.5 another will take. Already 1% margin you have given on the top. Margin remains same, 1% left, 1% right, and 0.5% we are giving for the gap. Default gap is there 2 to 3 pixel between two photo. There will be default gap 2 to 3 pixel. For that we have given this. Let us come. See now. 2 photo in one line, 2 photo in the new line. Go to any page. About also, 2 photo. Service also. If you have photo, 2 photo only will appear. Contact also. Now contact page still will be little here there. Okay. In the contact page, we have to change the width of the. See here, a scroller is coming. A scroller is coming. That point we need to work. Okay. And then you can see for UL li tag, there is a more padding still. In mobile phone, when you go, that's what is happening. You can see here. Menus are getting overlapped. Menus are getting overlapped, right? So what we want, we can reduce the gap, we can reduce the font size. So all will be compressed in one line. Okay. So let's go here. See, go to any page. Suppose I am into the about page. I can see the menus are compressing little. It is like it's coming one after another. The space is not there. Look at here. Inside the UL tag, okay, inside the UL tag, you have li tag. For that li, you write the padding very less. somewhere 5 pixel, and exclamation important. ULLI padding 5px exclamation. Padding got removed. We need to reduce the font size also. Font size. Font size. So font size you have to reduce the A tag. ULLI A. Then inside that we have to reduce the font hyphen size. Maybe 15px. Exclamation important. Right, complete this media query section. Then we can move next. Working font size. Here, font size will be reduced and it will be okay. According to mobile phone, it will fit. Some problem we have still in this file. We will work on that. But check according to device. Up to 700. Up to 700. Everything will be clean. See, after 700, menu is okay. But footer is image is getting little here there. See, image is okay. So 3 image in one line, 1 image. Definitely you have to move to the new line only, then only it will fit. Right. No problem. Let it go. Increase the width, increase the width. It is okay, it is okay, it is okay. When we come back, it's fine. Let's complete the media query and then reply also coming or not coming. We can see next. CSS code I have sent you in your chat. Check media query sequentially. Okay. Okay, working media query. Okay. Go next. After that, what we need to do is our next chapter will be called animation. Animation. Like suppose if you are on home page, suppose home page, landing page. In the landing page, maybe big banner will come, or you have seen on website, photos will be moving automatically. Photo will be changing automatically. So that come under the animation. That animation. A video I'll upload today, evening time. 3-4 videos are there, no? Monday, Tuesday video only. Okay, I will see how many videos I have uploaded till which date. Remaining I will upload you. You can have a look. Okay. Then yesterday I have sent you some photo in your WhatsApp, I guess. Any assignment I have sent? No. Okay, hold on. That assignment. It's 11:30. Check now. 4 photo I sent you in your chat. Hmm? Which one?
Sir, the golden borders and the big icons, where will we get?
Where you will get? You will get in the font or some big icon is available in Fontasm, desktop, suitcase, hand shaped. Those are the
Sir,
name.
and golden border?
Golden border is border inset orange color. Golden border, can you see that one? Field set, you remember field set and legend. It is based on field set and legend. Inside that, the golden border is coming. We have seen a class, we have seen a property called border. Border. Border in CSS, inline CSS. Border inset. Border inset and 5 pixel orange color. Then that golden color border will come. Border inset and then 5 pixel or 10 pixel orange. It will come like that. Try this, you can try it. Okay. Try is the important point. I will send you one more photo. If you are not able to do that, try this one. Try another photo. I will send you one photo, two photo. I'll send you. 11:30. I sent two more photo. Two or one. How many came? One photo. Background you have not seen still, so that will become difficult. Better you work on first photo only. Better you work on first photo itself. First block, first four photo I sent. Try putting some effort on that. Design, see, it is not like if you try means you will do a complete final design only. If you try, you can do 50%. I will be again doing the similar pages. You can stick that. It will be helpful for you. Okay. Anyone can remind me today evening 8:30 nearly, just in WhatsApp to upload the video. 8:30 is my last class. After that, if you remind me, system will be on. I will upload immediately.